that is magnetic circuit. Okay, so in the magnetic circuit we are having we are having three types of, like suppose I'm having inductor, another inductor, and another inductor. So we are having three type of inductor. This one inductance let us consider as L1, this one as L2, and this one as L3. Okay, so the mutual inductance between the 1 and 2 is M12. Mutual inductance between 2 and 3 is M23, and the mutual inductance between 1 and 3 is M13. Okay, so we are having basically formula for the mutual inductance. If there is M12, that would be K. K is the coefficient of coupling. Okay, K is the coefficient of coupling. K12 root of L1 into L2. Similarly, if we are having M31, that would be, or M13 we can consider K13 root of L1 into L3, right? And rest one is M23, that would be K23 root of L2 into L3. Got it? So from here, if they have given the K value, then we can get the M1, M2 and M3. If they ask you to calculate the L equivalent, that would be L1 plus L2 plus L3 minus of 2M12, then that depends on the mutual inductance, like this dot convention also. First of all, this is the case. Okay, so write down the case, then I'll tell you about the dot convention.